Hi, I'm Lou Ann Weeks, and I'm going to show you how to use these very unique mosaic bases and backers. So we have a tool rest and a spoon rest, and on the tool rest, your backer will come with 4 scores so that you can curve it like this J shape. And on the spoon rest, it is a shallow S shape, so your backer comes with 3 scores on this side and then 3 more scores on that side. Now on your candle surround, we have 2 different sizes. We have a 6" by 9" and a 12" by 12". Again, on the back, both of these are totally scored all the way across so that you can make your curves. So regardless of what shape you're creating, you're going to need quick stick mosaic mesh, just a small one, and some white thin set. And there's going to be 3 steps. Snap it, shape it, coat it. It's that easy. Alright, so before you get to the 3 steps, take a piece of your quick stick mosaic mesh and cut it so that it fits within the shape that you're cutting. You don't want any mesh hanging over your edges. And then just set it aside. Now we're going to snap our scores. What I like to do is I like to move and line up my score lines with the edge of my table. So once I do that, here's the score line. You just apply a little bit of pressure until you get it to release. And then you continue moving it to the next score line. Release it. Snap the next one. Nice. That's what I love about this. So see, you've released all of those score lines and you've got a nice curve going on. Okay, so now I have snapped the scores. The next step is to shape it. What I have found helps is if you get a base that helps you acquire the shape of your backer. And this paint can is perfect because I want it to be this exact shape when it's done. So grab your paint can or whatever cylinder you want to use. Chalk it so it doesn't roll around on you, and these little wooden sticks work great. Lay your backer on it, and then take your mesh. Make sure you put the sticky side down onto your shape. And then just lay it on there and rub it so that it sticks. Nice firm stick. All over. Okay. Okay, so I want to show you one thing I did. I used painter's tape to hold my backer securely to the paint can because the memory in this was having it a little bit wider than what I wanted. So just take some painter's tape, secure it to your paint can. All right, we have snapped it, we have shaped it. Now we're going to coat it. I've mixed up white thin set, peanut butter consistency, and I'm going to put a nice coat of thin set over this whole backer. One tip is make sure you get thin set down into these grooves that you've opened up when you snapped your scores. Okay, I have just finished coating the entire back surface, and I want to let it dry really well. When it's dry, you're going to notice some bumps. The way to fix it is just take some sandpaper and lightly sand it, and you'll have a really nice smooth surface so that you can mosaic on it.